Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover collections. Let's begin. In the first program, I am going to cover lists. I have created two lists L1 and L2, using squared brackets. We can access single element, using index within squared brackets. Element from right, using negative index. Elements from particular index, using index colon. Range of elements, using index range. We can update element in list, using index. Add to lists, using plus operator. Iterate through list, using for loop. Check whether element is present in list, using an operator. Repeat list, using asterisk. Delete element in list, using del statement with index. Delete list, using del statement. We can get length of list, using len function. Maximum element in list, using max function. Minimum element in list, using min function. Convert collections to list, using list function. Append element to list, using append method. Copy a list, using copy method. Clear list, using clear method. Count element in list, using count method. Extend list, using extend method. Get index of element in list, using index method. Insert element in list, using insert method. Pop element from list, using pop method. Remove element from list, using remove method. Reverse list, using reverse method. And sort list, using sort method. In the next program, I am going to cover tuple. I have created two tuple T1 and T2, using parentheses. We can access single element, using index within squared brackets. Element from right, using negative index. Elements from particular index, using index colon. Range of elements, using index range. Add to tuple, using plus operator. Iterate through tuple, using for loop. Check whether element is present in tuple, using an operator. Repeat tuple, using asterisk. We can get length of tuple, using len function. Maximum element in tuple, using max function. Minimum element in tuple, using min function. Convert collections to tuple, using tuple function. Delete tuple, using del statement. In the next program, I am going to cover set. I have created set S1 and S2, using flower brackets. We can convert collection to set, using set function. We can add element to set, using add method. Copy set into another set, using copy method. Clear set, using clear method. Get difference between two set, using difference method. Or, minus operator. Get difference and update first set, using difference update method. Discard element from set, using discard method. Get intersection between two set, using intersection method. Or, an operator. Get intersection and update first set, using intersection update method. Check whether sets are disjoint, using isDisjoin method. Check whether one set is subset of another set, using isSubset method. Check whether one set is superset of another set, using isSuperset method. Pop element from set, using pop method. Remove element from set, using remove method. Get symmetric difference between two set, using symmetric difference method. Or, exclusive or operator. Get symmetric difference and update first set, using symmetric difference update method. Get union of two set, using union method. Or operator. Get union and update first set, using update method. Also, we can create frozen set, using frozen set function. In the next program, I am going to cover dictionary. I have created dictionary D1 and D2, using key-value pairs. We can access value, using key. Update value, using key. Iterate dictionary, using for loop. Check whether key is present in dictionary, using an operator. Delete element in dictionary, using del statement with key. Delete dictionary, using del statement. We can get length of dictionary, using len function. Maximum key from dictionary, using max function. Minimum key from dictionary, using min function. Convert dictionary to string, using str function. Use type function, to see type of collection. We can copy dictionary into another dictionary, using copy method. Clear elements in dictionary, using clear method. Convert sequence into dictionary with optional default value, using from keys method. Get value from key, using get method. Get items from dictionary, using items method. Get keys from dictionary, using keys method. Get value of key if exist or default value, using set default method. Update dictionary from another dictionary, using update method. Get values from dictionary, using values method. Pop key from dictionary, using pop method. Pop item from dictionary, using pop item method. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy ebook on Python program interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.